Hey everyone, want to lose fat and build muscle at the same time? This video is for you. Most people think you can only do one, but you can actually do both together. It's called body recomposition foiling, and it works especially well for beginners. Let's break it down step by step. First, you need the right nutrition. Fat loss starts in the kitchen. Protein helps build muscle while you lose fat. Don't starve yourself by gym. Just eat slightly less than you burn. Extreme dieting will make you lose muscle, not fat. So focus on balance, not crash diets. Second, strength training is the key to gaining muscle.
Exercise 1, squats. Great for legs and fat burning.
Keep your back straight
And go slow.
Next, push-ups. Beginners can do them on knees. This builds chest, arms, and core strength.
Strength workouts tell your body to keep muscle while losing fat. Finish with a plank of 4, amazing for tightening your belly. Hold for 20-30 seconds.
Do these exercises 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Third, add light cardio to burn extra fat. Even 20 minutes of walking daily is enough. Too much cardio can slow muscle growth for shams, so keep it moderate. The goal is fat loss and strength together. Step 4, rest and recovery. Muscle grows when you sleep, not just when you train. And so rest. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Stay consistent for weeks, not just days. Small progress every day leads to big transformation. And so, just follow these 4 simple rules. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more beginner fitness videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next workout.